He is young, charismatic, bold, and with a sense of humour that he never loses, no matter how dire the topics he is treating. In just a few years, Theonest Nsengimana, the founder of the online newspaper Umubavu and the YouTube channel Umubavu TV Online, has earned a prominent place in Rwanda's media landscape thanks to his hard work, his empathy, and for always managing to be among the first and sometimes the only ones to report on the hidden tragedies taking place right next door. With his camera and microphone, Theonest takes us to the most unexpected places, such as the slums of Kigali, where government often destroys houses without offering a sustainable alternative to the inhabitants. Umubavu TV dramatically shed light on the situation of the families expelled from their lodgings, interviewing them next to the rubble of what used to be their homes, completely distraught, or lurking in the middle of the night in banana plantations or under makeshift tents, where they hide as best they can from bad weather. Theonest is driven by a strong belief that the media can play an important role in making the country's development more inclusive. It is for that reason that he vowed to give a voice to those who are often unheard in the national dialogue: the poorest, the critics, the daily workers without any social safety net, people discouraged by the bureaucracy, red tape and corruption. His leitmotif? To look beneath the surface and to reveal to the light of day the true causes of the problems we see. With his fellow freelance reporters and bloggers, Theonest is one of the rising media figures in Rwanda, and without them, the information we receive is incomplete. Protect the freedom of the press. Protect the right to information. Protect the rights of Theonest Nsengimana, Umubavu and Umubavu TV Online.